Let us solve the equation cube root of x plus 244 minus cube root of x minus 244 equal to 2. So we want to find the value of x. Let's write the equation once again. Cube root of x plus 244 minus cube root of x minus 244 equal to 2. You see, the equation involves cube root of some number, some quantity x plus 244 and x minus 244, and we know that opposite of cube root is taking a cube, so cubing both sides of the above equation. So we want to take the cube, so we do it to the left hand side, so we take whole thing cube, and also the right hand side. Now we get an expression like a minus b whole thing cube, and we know the formula for a minus b whole thing cube. A minus b whole thing cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus thrice ab into a minus b. Let's do it. A cube, so this expression whole thing cube, but cube root of a whole thing cube is simply a, so this can be written as x plus 244 minus b cube, so this quantity whole thing cube, so that can be written as x minus 244. So we got a cube minus b cube, and then minus 3ab minus 3 into cube root of x plus 244 into cube root of x minus 244 into a minus b. So a minus b, but see that a minus b is this whole expression, and a minus b is simply equal to 2. So just write 2 equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. Wow, we get a bit simpler expression. You can see that we can cancel x. Let's cancel it out. X minus x is 0. Plus 244, and negative of negative is positive, so another 244 in total, 488 minus 3, oh this is cube root here, 3 times 2 is 6, cube root of a plus b into a minus b, that's equal to a square minus b square, x square minus 244 square equal to 8. Let's take 488 to the right hand side. So we had a much complicated expression. However, just taking a cube simplifies our expression a lot. But during the process, we have just noticed that instead of writing a minus b, the whole expression, we just wrote it 2. So we got a much simpler expression. Let's continue further. Let's take 488 to the right hand side. So minus 6 into cube root of x square minus 244 square equal to 8 minus 488, that is minus 480. Oh, we can cancel negative out. Let's do it. Minus minus gets cancelled. We can divide by 6 throughout, and so we can say that cube root of x square minus 244 square equal to 480 divided by 6, that's just 80. Okay, now we take the cube on both sides. Wow, we need to take the cube on both sides. Once again, we want to remove the cube root, so we take the cube on both sides. So cubing both sides of the equation. So we take the cube on the left hand side, and so on the right hand side. Cube and cube root will get cancelled, so we'll be left out with x square minus 244 square minus 244 square equal to 80 cube. Now we take 244 square to the right hand side to obtain 80 cube plus 244 square is simply equal to x square. Okay, now we got x square. So if I want to solve for x, I need to take the root both side. Root of 80 cube plus 244 square. From there it follows that x equal to, well, we can simply calculate it. Observe that I can take 4 square common here. 4 times 61 is, so if I take 4 square common here, I'll be left out with 61. So root of 4 square is simply 4. 4 into 20 is 80. So we take 4 square common. Square root of 4 square is simply 4. So from 4 cube we will be left out with 4, and then 20 cube plus 61 square. Once again, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. We can simply multiply this expression and we'll get square root of 35721, and that's equal to square root of 35721 is simply equal to 189. From there we conclude that x equal to 4 into 189, 4 times 189, 4 times 9 is 36, 4 times 8 is 32, 32 plus 3 is 35, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So x equal to 756.